global feast, 10 iconic Christmas delicacies from around the world. Roast turkey. A classic roast turkey is a staple for many American Christmas dinners. It's often accompanied by stuffing, cranberry sauce, and gravy. Christmas pudding. Christmas pudding, also known as plum pudding, is a rich and dense dessert filled with dried fruits, suet, spices, and often soaked in brandy. It's typically served with a flaming brandy or rum sauce. Panettone. Panettone is a sweet bread loaf originally from Milan. It's studded with candied fruits and raisins and is enjoyed during the Christmas season in Italy and beyond. Bûche de Noël. Bûche de Noël, or Yule log, is a traditional French Christmas dessert. It's a sponge cake rolled and shaped to resemble a log, often filled with buttercream and covered with chocolate ganache. Stollen. Stollen is a fruit bread with nuts, spices, and dried or candied fruits. It's dusted with powdered sugar and is a beloved Christmas treat in Germany. Tamales. Tamales, filled with meats, cheese, or fruits, are a popular Christmas dish in Mexico. They are made from masa, a dough made from corn, and wrapped in corn husks before being steamed. Julbord. Julbord is a traditional Swedish Christmas buffet that includes a variety of dishes such as pickled herring, cured salmon, meatballs, sausages, and various types of bread and cheese. Christmas cake. In Japan, Christmas cake is a sponge cake topped with whipped cream and decorated with strawberries. It's a popular dessert enjoyed during the Christmas season. Prawns on the Barbie. While Christmas in Australia falls during the summer, many Australians celebrate with a barbecue featuring fresh seafood, including prawns, shrimp, cooked on the grill. Rabanada. Rabanada, similar to French toast, is a popular Christmas dessert in Brazil. Slices of bread are soaked in sweetened milk, coated with eggs, and fried until golden.